My name is Tlo Arthur Mahlangu, and who I am is a guy that grew up, in the township, Mamelodi, Atteridgeville, Tweefontein K, in Mpumalanga, amongst other townships that I've frequented. And what I do is that I help small businesses, go from point A to point B. That is to say, to help them build their businesses. And in pursuit of that goal, I started a company called QH Consultants. So QH Consultants, I started back when I was still working in corporate because I was working for this major retailer, and what I realized was that I was responsible for suppliers, and the suppliers I was auditing and had to put onto the supply database. I started to notice that these suppliers had a lot of gaps in their businesses in terms of legal compliance and other industry best practice. So I saw that as a gap, and as a result of that, I registered my own business in 2014. In 2015, I went into business, started helping these small suppliers. As a result of all of those learnings and that research, I pivoted and I started to develop a solution called BizTweak, which is meant to make entrepreneurship easier, because I realized that there are other entrepreneurs out there who are like me, who don't know what they don't know. So I'm putting together, or I've put together, a platform that will help them get those learnings early so that they don't have to fail like I did. Or if they fail quickly and learn and move forward with their business. We help entrepreneurs diagnose their business. So you go onto their platform and you would make a selection of what you want to achieve, right? Do you want to generate revenue? Do you want to get your business ready for an investor? Are you starting a business? Do you want to test your business idea? So those are the selections that you make. And based on the selection, you get an assessment. Then on that assessment, we're asking you questions based on your business. The advantages of the app are that it's on demand. At any time, you can go onto our website and complete an assessment. And right there and then, within 15 minutes, depending on how quickly you go through the platform, you'll be able to know where your idea is and how good it is, or what gaps you have in the idea. So the app is being well received. So the approach that we have taken is, breaking it in on the ground, right? Starting with the micro enterprises, township entrepreneurs, the business forums, the people that really need it the most, the people that are underserved within the small business, sector and environment. So out of when we did our usability testing, we had like 300 people on our platform, and we got positive feedback on the platform in terms of the sustainability impact. The challenges that came with the development of the app were, as a lot of entrepreneurs will tell you who are starting up, money. Finding the money to develop the app, seeing that my background is not really from a coding perspective. So I had to get out there and find the funds to be able to take my idea from my head and put it into, bring it to life. So 4IR, what it means to me is a lot of things, right? When I think about 4IR and the technologies that come with it, AI, machine learning, big data, it's an opportunity for us to do things differently, to move away from convention, to challenge the status quo, to break up, the barriers that have been set by conventional models of doing business, of living, of looking at the world. So 4IR to me, it means the great reset, starting over where everyone has a chance, because technology does not discriminate. If you know how to leverage technology, you can thrive. It does not care if you're black or white or purple. So 4IR just means it's a great leveler. It's a great opportunity for us to do better and to do bigger things. So for entrepreneurs, what it means, 4IR technologies, it means you have an opportunity for you to take your idea and bring it to life and compete in the market. And not only compete, but thrive, and also be in a position to have influence and power because of how you can leverage these technologies. So how people can get hold of the app is by going to biztweak.co.za, register to get in as a consultant code and to do the assessment.